Hey guys, I'm Scott, and I hope you're having a fun day. The Ageless Guitar series is about how to go from wanting to play the guitar to being able to play music on the guitar in the shortest period of time possible. Think of the following situation. One of your bandmates, say the vocalist, wants to play the guitar on a song or two. How do we get them up to speed as quick as possible? This series of 5 90-second lessons is going to provide us with a bare-bones path to moving our existing musical knowledge onto the guitar. Our starting point recognizes that singing the melody of a song is really just moving from one note to a related note and sounding good. Those related notes are referred to as a key, and here we're going to use the notes of G major, and we're going to use 4 different patterns on a standard tuned guitar. Knowing the notes of a key over an octave is the foundation for putting music onto the guitar, and it's the core of the melody you've been listening to in the background. It takes practice to coordinate your fingers into these patterns, and this is true for any new task, but this is going to get you ready for the next lessons.